Take out the machine and all the accessories. There are 2 spare fuses which can replace the broken one in the machine. When the fuse in the machine is broken, use a screwdriver to take it out and replace it with the spare one. Unscrew the lid of the suction hole and a white rubber ring can be seen. If there's no the ring or it is broken, there will be no suction, so it should be checked and replaced regularly. There's a filter cotton in the suction hole, which should be replaced with a larger one on a weekly basis. Choose and install the rubber hose among the larger Y-shaped holes, the small Y-shaped holes, and the wide holes based on user's need. Connect the power cord to the machine body. The left knob is used to adjust the suction. The right knob is used to choose mode. The left switch on the top of the machine is suction switch, and the right one is release switch. When the right switch is at off position and the left switch is at on position, the machine is in the state of constant suction. The way to check whether there is suction: press the suction switch, turn the suction knob to the maximum, and put your finger on the suction hole. If you can feel strong drawing force, the machine can work properly. Face raising 1. It is for massage and relaxing. Face raising 2. It is for lifting and tightening skin. Body raising 1. It is for detoxifying body. Body raising 2. It is for unblocking meridians and clitoris. Breast lifting. It is for tightening and shaping breasts. Treatment. It is for body relaxing and first-time users. Turning clockwise is to increase suction, and turning anti-clockwise is to decrease suction. Adjust the suction level based on individual endurance. It is recommended that suction be set at a relatively low level for first-time users, which can avoid pains. Connect one end of the wide hose to the suction hole and the other end to the grease cup. Apply massage cream or essential oil evenly to the treatment areas. Grease cup function. There are 3 grease cups. The large one is suitable for large areas. The medium one is suitable for arm and neck. The small one is suitable for small areas such as face and neck. Wipe the grease cup clean after treatment. Unscrew the lower part of the grease cup. Take out the used filter cotton and then put the new cotton in. Vacuum cup function. There are 9 pairs of vacuum cups, 3 pairs of body cup, 3 pairs of face cup, 2 pairs of cup for cleaning, 1 pair of cup for private parts. Choose proper cups based on user's needs and the size of areas to be treated. The large Y-shaped hose is used here. Connect the Y-shaped end of the hose to the 2 cups and the other end to the suction hole of the machine body. There will be suction only when the two cups are in full contact with skin simultaneously during the treatment. When only one vacuum cup is needed, a knot should be tied on the one end of the Y-shaped hose to ensure no air can get in. Please note, there's a round hole on the face tube, which should be covered with Yuzong during the treatment to ensure there's suction. Breast cup function. There are 3 pairs of breast augmentation cup. Choose proper ones based on the size of the user's breasts. The small Y-shaped hose is used here. Connect the Y-shaped end of the hose to the 2 cups and the other end to the suction hole of the machine body. The breast augmentation cups can be used in conjunction with essential oil or other skin products. Turn off the machine and unplug it. Sanitize the handles and vacuum cups for next time use.